Here's our 2016 Ram. Just went over 100,000 miles. Has a light bar and these fog lights here. These up here, also an accessory. The tonneau cover does come with its own remote control. This is the Longhorn edition. Will come with the leather seats. This embellishment here, this is Longhorn. Here are switches for the lights. Here is your mileage, all the gauges, steering wheel, over here with trailer brake, you're going to have your dial here. These are your heated seats. This console in here is going to have your wireless charging. You also have this full console in the front, sunroof on the top. This back window does open. Back seat, 2016 Ram.